The Aztec Tribe by Nawaf and Jack. Introduction. The Aztecs were a nomadic tribe who formed in the 13th century, migrating to Tehuacán Valley and built Tenochtitlan on an island on Lake Texcoco. They were a strong nation from 1345 until 1521 when they were conquered by Spanish conquistador Hernan Cortes. They relied on agriculture as a way of building their economy to create a successful way of life. Thesis. The Aztecs had a trade system and economy that was directly impacted by their ability to conquer others in battle, create cooperative systems with neighboring cultures, and agriculture. Topic sentence 1. Quetzalcoatl, their leader in 1428, led the Aztecs to defeat their strongest rivals, and Montezuma, who was known as the father of the Aztecs, was a successor of Quetzalcoatl, which led the Aztecs to gaining more influence, which supported their economy. Evidence. According to the website history.com, the Aztecs had come to rule over up to 500 small states and some 5 to 6 million people, either by conquest or commerce. This shows that by conquering others in battle, the Aztecs were able to spread their influence as strong people who could defeat others, and that helped their economy grow.
Topic sentence 2. The Aztecs worked hard to build cooperative systems with other cultures to support their economy of trade. The evidence. According to bingunews.com, copper was found far from the location that they should have come from. This evidence is a testament to the fact that many of these Aztec tribes traded very extensively with other tribes on very large distances. Working together helped tribes create strong trade connections, giving them the chance to work on their strengths and share resources without conflict. However, when conflicts such as the Beaver War came along, it disrupted trade and damaged relationships, which resulted in stronger groups gaining more power. Both cooperation and conflict were important in deciding how wealth and resources were divided among tribes. Topic sentence 3. The Aztecs' trade system and economy was directly impacted by their agricultural work. According to historyonthenet.com, the Aztecs would always create extra crops to sell and trade. Trading goods was actually one of the main parts of the Aztec economy. It can be inferred that this cooperation helped create a secure Aztec economy with a lot of trade. Through having excess crops, trade was encouraged and bonds were built. This resulted in mutual economic growth that everybody benefited from. The conclusion. The Aztec civilization grew through military missions, having a surplus crops, and cooperation with its neighbors. This effectively allowed them to have a stable and growing economy, a strong military, and an overall well-respected power in not only the Americas, but also in the entire world.
These are the sources that we used to build this presentation.